where it all begins. Standard and Custom Tabletops by Prizzi. We invite you on a mini tour of Prizzi's workshop. This is where we craft our top quality standard and customized sewing tabletops. Premium quality materials. Our tabletops feature a plywood core sandwiched between 2 layers of MDF topped with a high-quality laminate surface. The result? A solid 1.5-inch thick worktop built to last. The Prizzi Made in USA tabletop line is made using locally sourced materials and components. Order received, details confirmed, production started, cutting and shaping. We make precise cutouts for the machine head, motor, mounts, and additional attachments. Choose the size, shape, and design that suits you best. Customize to your needs. Whether you need an L-shaped, U-shaped, rounded corners, or unique dimensions, our experts will tailor the table to your exact specifications. With all essential settings and measurements pre-programmed, the operator simply oversees the cutting. Despite high production volumes, we consistently deliver all orders on schedule. Finished products are now removed from the machine. Time for a deep clean. The tabletops are now ready for surface finishing to ensure both strength and visual appeal. Surface finishing. Next step. Cleaning the edges for a flawless finish. Edges have been properly finished with all excess trimmed, and the surface is refined for a smooth finish. Quality control. Every table undergoes rigorous durability testing and a standardized inspection process. Each one is labeled with a QC sticker, guaranteeing it meets our high-quality standards before reaching you. Package and delivery. We securely package each item and prepare it for delivery. On average, our clients receive their orders within 2 to 3 days. Shipping outside California? Every item is packed with care to ensure it reaches you in perfect condition. Prizzi tabletops aren't just made. They're engineered with care and customized for your needs. Discover more at prizzisewing.com.